All right, welcome back. We are on level 3 of lesson 19. This is going to be a very short, easy one. Moving down, here's a feather sprite. So if we run it, there's a feather sprite that should be floating down the screen. If velocity x makes a sprite move to the right, can you find the block that will make the feather move down? Do this. Find the block that will make the feather sprite go down the screen. Use that block outside of the draw loop. So outside of this, we don't want to touch anything in here. Show me where. So if we click on that, it tells us, all right between lines 5 and 6, and then give the block a value to make the feather move down the screen. Okay, so we don't want X because X is going to move left to right, which means that we probably want to try Y. So we're going to rename it feather, and we know that because up here, we can see that that's what the sprite was named. And then we're going to try 1. So let's see what happens. Reset, run. There we go. So the feather is slowly falling down. All right. And that's all it asked us to do. Well, that was easy. So, might be the shortest video of the whole lesson. And I hope you guys are ready because we're moving on to level 4. Here we go.